What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today, well, if you've seen, it's still the same day as the last video, but if you've seen the last video, you know what we're doing. We are working on the power steering system in my 2000 Jeep Cherokee Sport. It is a 4-liter inline 6, the legendary inline 6 engines for Jeeps during the 90s, well, 80s, 90s, and early 2000s era. Right now, for today's video, we're going to try and get most of the stuff put back on and put back together. There's some parts I have missing. If you've seen the last video, you know that I need a new belt, I need a new air filter, I need more coolant, I need more power steering fluid. None of those things I have right now, so the Jeep unfortunately will not be able to drive today, but I want to get everything mocked up and connected. That means we're going to connect the power steering pump, we're going to connect both the hoses, which I have right here, and we're going to make sure everything is smooth and ready to go. But the first step I want to do is I want to clean out these the threads. Basically, the threads are extremely dirty. If I didn't spray with the WD-40 penetrating fluid like I did the past couple days, those things would have been near impossible to get off, especially with the little bit of space I have to work with here. Well, the first line we're going to replace is the return line. And that's not going to be too hard. So get your O-ring out. Get it around the edge here. Just stop. Get some help. Okay. Well, let's see. How would this fit on here? Good. It would be sort of like that. Yeah. Alright, so that's the top part that goes into the pump. So this part would have to go in like that. I'll see. I think I do need to put this one underneath, because it won't go over. I might be able to. Well, no, it's hitting the body now, and I can't put it that way. So yeah, I gotta put it underneath this one. So I gotta put on this one first. But let's go ahead and put this new one on. This is the fun part about working on your cars. Now that you got all the old shit out of the way, you can put on the new good shit. Alright, so that is one new hose. In and ready. I probably need to move it over a little bit more like that, because this needs to go over it. Kind of where I need to be right there. Sweet spot right there. Right there, that's the sweet spot. That's not cross-threading at all. Let's see, I can't move this one back. I cannot leave that there, because that's right on the manifold. That's right on the manifold. I wish I could leave it like that, but I can't. So what if I go ahead and tighten this down? And move it over. Oh, I can't. That's right next to the knuckle. Oh, that's right. It was right next to the knuckle. That's why. Oh shit, that's right. It was like that. So the other one has got to come under that one somehow. just have to come up with something. Am I threading? Oh my god, I think I'm threading. Hell yeah, I'm threading. Okay, good. Whew. Alright, so both hoses are in. Finally. Take my adjustable wrench. Tighten these bastards up. Oh yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Oh yeah, we got that one tight now. She ain't going nowhere. There, these pliers, I needed these, and they fell in the water when I needed them most. It's alright, look, they're about to fall in the fucking water again. Oh, there ain't one water pump. Yep. Crazy. I need a goddamn garage. I need a goddamn fucking garage. Well, barely, it's almost tight. It's almost tight. She's pretty much tight. Okay, yep, that's exactly how it was. It was hitting the steering knuckle. It was twisted up like this. Whew. Okay. We got both lines fastened. Excuse me. Both lines fastened. I'll be able to bleed it like that when I get power steering fluid, so we'll leave this one hanging down. And next thing to do is to put the pump on. This is the part I've been waiting for. 3 bolts. It goes under this bracket like so. Try not to touch the pulley too much. I have greasy ass hands. Alright, we'll thread through that first. First bolt right here. Alright. Alright. Okay, check that out. New power steering pump in. Everything's looking alright. That's what was plugging it up, making sure nothing got into the power steering. And see, I don't know if you can see that, but inside there, that's the mechanism that ripped out with my old pump. That's what made me have to buy a whole new pump. That's why we're in this stupid mess to begin with. Oh shit. Okay. That is pretty tight to me. Alright, so both these lines are connected. Okay, shit. We got one more new part. That. Replace it with this cap. We are in there like swimwear. Okay. Whew, holy shit. Okay. I'm gonna keep the air box out because it helps me reach down there. But it is installed. The power steering pump is installed. The hoses are practically installed. All I need to do is the next step is to get more fluid. I need to fill the coolant back up because I lost a lot, which is good that I have some. I need to get a new belt, new filter, bleed the system of power steering fluid, so I need to get a bunch of power steering fluid. But other than that, this system is about ready to go. is about ready. It's back on the Jeep. I'm happy with it, and I think I'm gonna go ahead and end the video here. Oh yeah, we gotta put the fan back on. But that's it. Again, if you enjoyed this video, give it a like, subscribe. I'm trying to grow the channel, and as always, take care, and thanks for watching, guys.